Welcome, welcome to our Wednesday live edition. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will be live from 2:30 to 4:30 today. So I'd like to welcome everyone. How's your Wednesday? Okay, I think we're almost completing the Wednesday right now. It's 2:37 p.m. time check. I will be sharing our live, so just hang in there and I'll be right with you, okay? By the way, before I share our live, our lineup today would be our gorgeous premium clothes and also our bags. Okay, we will have jewelries. I am going to actually show you some. We will be concentrating on CC, okay? The brand, you know that brand. I cannot. Hi, Sis Jen. Nandyan ka na? Hello, hello. Sis Jen, we decided to actually, ayun naming ilagay sa, we will just deliver that using UPS or FedEx para mas mabilis sa iyo. Hi, Sis Evelyn! Sis, this is RC. Hindi ko lang masabi ang brand. Pero i-google mo siya. It starts with Rob, R-O-B. And two words ang brand. And then ang last word is coin. Okay? I cannot mention the brand, but this is the brand. Okay? I used another, the chain is not this. Okay? Oh, andiyo dyan yung dalawang magandang babae. Si Evelyn, Miss Evelyn, Miss Jenya. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so I'll just share live first, mga dears. Just hang in there. If you need anything from me, you know, you just need to actually message me. Don't, huwag kayong mahiya. And we have more items to show you today, okay? Yeah, that's RC, okay? This is RC, okay? Two words, that's two words, okay? So I have also RC like this, okay? And it has also bracelets, okay? I haven't worn my bracelet, but I can definitely... Kapag nag-work, glance lang talaga para hindi halata, ano? Okay, ladies, sandali lang ha. Okay, excited ako to be with you today. Okay. My last live would be tomorrow. So, I will be 2:30 to 4:30. And then tomorrow would be two parts, 2 to 4 p.m. and 5 to 7. So, I always do Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Kung bibigyan ako ng Panginoon ng kalakasan ng pangangatawan, I will truly be regular with my live selling. Salamat mga sis at nagkaroon kayo ng time kahit pasilip-silip lang. Masaya ako andito kayo. Okay. Alright. At ako na ang bahala. Ay, salamat Papa. So I'm just going to actually mine na. Sis, wala nang imamine mo. Ang ganda mong babae. Teka, sandali. Sis ha? Sis Jen? Sandali lang, Sis Jen. Ipakita ko muna lahat ng collection ko para at least makita mo yung mga colors. I have a lot of colors. So, hold on lang, beautiful ladies. Okay. I have both in gold and silver. Okay, so I want you to flex. Oh, teka, meron ng request. Ganyan ang gusto ko. O sa, working, glance. Sis, I like your pendant. Oh, so, salamat sis. Sis, ito bang gusto mong color? Okay, ito bang gusto mong color, sis? Dali ha. Alright. Kung ito yung color na gusto mo, sis. Premium namin ito, sis. Ay! Hala, sis. I don't have the dark blue right now. Pero ito yung mga pendant ko, sis. Pakita ko. I have the gold. Black. Okay? And then, I have the gold red. So, kung gusto mo yung pendant, sis, ito yung mine 66 lang for the red. Gusto mo ba ng blue, sis? Mukhang wala akong blue. Pero meron pa isang blue na iba, okay? So, yun ang ibibigay ko sa'yo. Mine 61, kung gusto mo ang black. Okay, sandali. Isa-isahin ko sis para makita ninyo ha. I love this pendant sis. You like the black. Okay, sis, this is $35. Kasi sis, meron itong sa likod niya, nandun naka-engrave yung pangalan ng brand. Stamp ang tawag dito. So this one is actually for $22 ang isa. Malaki siya. Okay, ito, mine 61. Oh, sige, sa'yo na to sis. Tapos, may red din, maganda ito. Oh, okay, sure. Okay, so anong bag ang gusto mong i-flex ko, sis Evelyn? Okay, mine 66 sa red. Alright, and then, meron din akong green. Okay, mine 81. Mine ka lang, my dear, ha? Baliktad nga lang, sorry. Mine 81 for the green. Isa-isahin ko para at least. At saka ito yung blue ko na maganda, sis. Actually, konti na lang ang natira. Ang ganda nito. Mine 59 for this kind of blue, light blue. Okay. Tapos, for the pink, mine 22 for the pink. Sandali lang, sis Evelyn, ha? Tapusin ko muna si sis Jen. I have also for gold. Sandali lang, sis, ha? Gold, mine 92 for the gold. Ang ganda nito. Ang ganda ng dating nito. Talagang maharlika. Okay? So, and then, mukhang wala na akong white, sis. Ay, may white. Sorry, sis, ha? Dito pala sa kabila. And then, I have the white. Ang white, sis, ang ganda. Super ganda. Mine 63. Okay? Mine 63. Okay? Mine 63 for this white, sis Jen. Kung gusto mo, okay? Just let me know, ha? Hi, Let. Good morning. How are you? And I also have, sige, sis, Evelyn. I'll do that. The Maharlika. O sige, unahin natin si Eva. Kasi nagmamadali siya, no? Meron siya kasing break lang siya ngayon. Thank you, sis Jen, ha? Okay, so actually, sis, this is Maharlika. Okay, this is actually, and para hindi ko nasabihin, makikita nyo ba? Pag inilagay ko, yan, makikita nyo ba yung brand? It starts with letter V, ha? Okay. Okay, so this one is super gorgeous. This is replica of the original, parehong pareho, okay? So this one was selling for $189. I'm going to give this one for $159 today. Grabe, 189 to 159. So if you want this one, mine 159V. Kasi yun ang umpisa ng kanyang, mine 159V. I still have 2 pieces of this, okay? Next. I also have this, the Y, okay? Na-flex ko rin ito kahapon, but I can't help flexing it. I love its stunning look. You know, ito meron siyang chain. This one is a tassel gold, okay? This is also real leather. Okay, the real leather, it has a tassel gold here. Okay, nakatakip lang. I just don't want to remove this one para kayo. And this one is the gorgeous logo. Okay, it's in brass. And this one's super gorgeous. I only have one left. Okay, the chain is super adorable. Masyadong makapal po ang chain niya. Alright, and then, as you can see, there's the heat stamp. And then, inside, this is actually a bag that you could carry. It has a card slots on it, okay? Kasha ang phone, okay? Ang Pro Max, of course. Kasha si Pro Max. You don't have to worry about Pro Max. Kasha ang car keys. Kasha ang konting lotion. Lagi ako nagdadala ng ganito, okay? So, that's my hand lotion. So, kasha doon. And a little pabango if you have. Okay, so for this, I actually mentioned this yesterday. Sandali lang po, ha? Humihina na yung memory natin, ano? Hindi ko na matandaan kung magkano. Ito, andito siya. Alright, so for this, bakit wala siyang price? Okay, sandali po, ha? Bakit hindi nalagyan ng price? Yes, sandali po. Okay, this one for today, Yes, that's the iba kasi sis Evelyn, yung inspired at replica. When you say replica, it's 1:1. Okay? Ang pagkakaiba nila, I tell you, the leather that they use. Of course, they use also some logos na yung mga nilalagay nilang stamp inside. Eh, wala naman titingin ang loob ng bag mo. Sabihin, tingnan ko nga yung stamp na ginamit dyan at saka yung number kung okay. But, they are exactly the same, okay? The original. So, this one is really gorgeous, okay? All of my top quality are made of top grain cowhide leather, okay? So, yan, maganda siya. Yes, okay? So, pati itong pinakita ko kaninang letter CV, that's also replica, okay? So if you want this one, I'm just going to give this one for 139 today. Okay, 139 for today. So if you want it, mine Y. Mine Y, 139. Isa na lang natitira. Actually, gusto ko po siyang i-mine kasi na hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng ganitong crossbody. This is how it looks, ha? You can definitely make this one as a, by the way, this is also the mark, okay, of the brand. You can definitely adjust this one, tapos gawin nyo po siyang shoulder bag. Oh, yeah. Sabi ko sa inyo, mura ako. Okay, mura ngayon lang, okay? Pero this one is really actually at the real price for this is $179. I'm putting it $139 today, okay? So if you want this one, just say the word. Just say the word. Meron lang po ako na-receive. Sis, meron siyang sa akin. Sis Ruby, thank you so much na-receive mo na, okay? Okay, isa na lang ito, Sis Evelyn. At hindi ako makakapangako na may darating. Okay, mahirap kasi ngayon ang shipping papunta sa aking supplier papasok sa US, okay? Minsan po, tumatagal sa wala na sabi ko, ito na ang last ko. I cannot give anything. This is my last Y. This is new one. Dumating kahapon, okay? So, nakuha na yung iba. Mukhang hindi nila nakita ito, kaya tinago ko kasi kaagad because I love it. Okay, so, una, I like this tassel kasi napaka-gorgeous po niya. Gusto niyo tanggalin ko ang tassel para makita nyo. Okay, so, this is the tassel. It's actually gold chain tassel. Ayan ang nagpaganda dyan, okay? Kaya pag sinuot mo ito, napakaganda niya. Okay? Okay, so, ganyan siya. Alright? It is so gorgeous. Pwede yung shoulder bag or crossbody. It's up to you, okay? Alright, next tayo, ha? This is my favorite. Okay? Mukhang may darating akong color na iba. Okay, thank you so much sa inyo. Okay, so I have my messages. They said I got the package. And thanks sa free gift na earring, pretty one, sis. Okay, you're welcome, sis Ruby. I'm so happy that you got yours. And then, okay, and Sis Tony also actually just said, ganda daw ng GG set na nabili niya, So for this one, this is also crossbody shoulder bag. Okay, ayan siya. Gorgeous. Okay, so pag isusuot niyo siya, alam mo, I like having this one. Ito lagi ang mga bitbit ko, ganito. Kasi medyo may problema na yung shoulder ko. Kaya dapat ganito na lang ako. And it has this pocket, okay? Hindi ko to pinakita kahapon. Hindi ko to isinail kahapon. For today, it has this, and this is how it looks inside. All leather. Okay, kita nyo naman po. If you're actually using real leather, kita nyo kaagad, ay, ang ganda niya. For this one, I am giving this also for $139 for this one. Okay, so if anyone wants this, mine red $139. Mine red $139. Okay, next. Oh, this is my favorite. Alam mo, nilalabas ko ngayon ang mga micro bags and saka mga mini bags because Ito po kasi ang laging ginagamit na ngayon, pang mini, micro, okay? Pero, of course, I do love wearing totes and satchel, you know, yung mga ganon. This one is real leather, you know, kinopya yung crocodile, This one is the brand, okay? And it has a crossbody strap. It's black. It's super gorgeous. The one that I have, is this. Okay, this is also real leather. I always carry this one, okay? Kasi ang ganda po. It houses all my my sanitizer. Ganyan sanitizer. O kaya ibang sanitizer. Meron din akong ganito dyan sa loob. Car keys and my maliit na wallet. My wallet that's medium. Okay? So, and mga sunnies ko, kasya dito, plus pabango and everything. So, this one is just like this. Pareho sila. But a good one with this is actually crocodile style leather. Okay? So, if anyone wants this one, this is my real deal for today, for this hour. Mine 129 black. Mine 129 black for this. Konti lang ang bags natin ngayon kasi yung iba, okay, hold on lang po, ha? And then before that, nandiyan ka na, no? Okay, so I'm going to show you one thing lang po because this one was already mine. This moissanite. Okay. Hold on, ha. Sadali lang sis Evelyn, ha, because she's also running may hindi ka ba aalis ka agad, Okay, so I just wanted to let you know. So this is yours, Okay, this is yours. And this was actually this is the GRA certificate for this is for, hold on, the GRA certificate for this is 0.20 carat. That 0.20 carat for each stone. So yours is, this one is 6.5. I'm going to tell you 2, 4, 6. Okay, 2, 4. I cannot count. So 0.2 times, 0.2 times the number of stones. Yun ang total carats niya, okay? Alright. Pero wag mo itong, because this one is S925 silver. S925 silver with a gold plating, okay? With a real gold plating. Iwasan lang siya mabasa, okay? Para hindi siya mag-fade kaagad. Okay, for this one, you got, it was $105, but I'm giving this one $85 for you. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna just give this one because she just minded. She mined this before I even begin my live. So this one is yours, my dear. Okay, kita mo yan ha. It's $105, but it went down to $85. So this one is yours, $85. Let's have a screenshot together with the GRA certificate. Okay. Pasensya na po ha. I'll make it really fast. Okay, this one is yours. With the GRA certificate, you will receive an additional box, jewelry velvet box for your new ring. This is the ring, okay? Ang ganda, matching tayong dalawa, okay? My husband has this one too. So this is eternity ring, and we want to have, you know, eternity rings together. So this one is good. Pag okay ka na, pati si Rowell, bigyan mo na eternity ring. Screenshot mo na, Did you screenshot it, my dear? SSD na. Thank you, Thank you so much. And then, balik tayo kay sis. Evelyn. Sis Evelyn, I'd like to ask you, kasi ang dami ko pong bags what exactly are you looking for? Are you looking for a tote? Are you looking for a crossbody? Are you looking for a satchel? I have this CD totes up there. Ang nasa middle, makikita mo, that's the smallest one. So I really needed something para at least, and what brand you're looking for, okay? Para at least mas mabilis sa akin, mas mabilis sa iyo. You don't have to wait for me that long, okay? So, what I have here for sale, yun lang ipapakita ko muna, okay? This is a camera bag of the brand. Okay, this is a medium-sized camera bag. And this is super, super duper gorgeous because it houses a lot. I have one, okay? I have one like this and it's so good, especially when you're, doing some quick errands, okay? And even at work, you can definitely use this, okay? So this one is, this is what's, okay. So this one, this is the part of the whole shebangs. Okay, hold on po. There's a credit card slot inside, okay? And then, look at this. This is $169. $169 price. This is already my final clearance at that time. This one is a real leather. Just take a look at the leather and also the monogram. Okay, so this is made of cowhide leather. And this shoulder strap can't be removed, okay? So you could see also the logo here for the tassel, and then another logo here at the zipper pulls, okay? There you go. And of course the monogram, the GG monogram. For this one, from $169, okay, I'm going to give a $30 discount for today. My last, hurrah, I would say, the last for my bags. So this one is from $169. I'm giving this one for $139. Okay. So if anyone wants this one, mine GG $139. This is top quality. Okay, top quality bag. You can definitely adjust to your size. So it's plenty. Ito nga sa akin, take a look at that. Mahaba na sa akin. If you're tall, you can definitely adjust it to your size. Okay, so mine 139 GG. Mine 139 GG. Okay. This is the only medium that's actually on sale right now. And these are also medium bags. Okay, my Kelly is also medium bag. Okay. So this one, the Kelly, is, I did not put this on sale yesterday. Pinakita ko lang yata, no? Kasi I don't want to put this on sale. Okay, because this is really expensive po ngayon. Grabe, super, super duper expensive. And if I'm going to give the one kasi po, the other one that I have, and also I have medium, okay, for my, if you're actually into this kind of bag, it's a Constance, okay, this is a brand Constance, and it's H, you know the brand, okay, so this one is super gorgeous as well. How much is this? $179. I'm giving it $30 off. So this is going to be $149. So I have other colors. I have, what else do I have? Maybe yung iba na na sold out na. Sandali lang po, ha? Oh, there you go. Oh, I only have 3 colors left. Sold out na yung ibang colors ko. So for the Constance, The only color that I have is this, okay? The black, the green, and the tan, okay? The tan, this is also replica, okay? So just Google it. Okay, the website is right there. It will help you, you know, check. This is Constance 20, hold on, 22. I just wanted to make sure that the size I was telling you is the size that is really the size, actual size. Okay, I'm looking for my, pinaglaruan kasi yun ng aking baby pusa kanina. Sandali lang po, ha? My tape, my measuring tape. Through, okay, my baby. Ay, there you go. It's right here. Okay, pinagbintangan ko ang baby ko. Hindi naman pala daw niya nilaro. Okay, so for this one, the base. So we're going to check the base kasi iba po yung ano ng ano. This is Constance. Dali po, ha? Okay. This is actually the dimension that I could see based on the base, ha. Ayan po, ha, papakita ko sa inyo. Kasi there is actually, yeah, this is the sling. Okay, this one is actually on top. This is not removable. Even the original, it's not removable. You open it by clicking underneath, clicking, okay, and then you could open it. It's a two compartment bag. All right. Okay, so this one, it's very compact. You know, I use this one. It's so compact and it's really nice. Okay, so this one is size base. Dito sa akin ha, base 20. Okay, so this one is base 20. All right. So this Constance is base 20. This is so gorgeous, okay? So this is the strap. It doesn't have any extra strap except for this, okay? So what I can do, ito, mas clearer ito. Mas clearer ito. Pakita ko. Okay, this one. Alright. There you go. Clearer yung ano, ito yung strap niya. Alright? If anyone wants this one, just say the Mine H 149 plus the color. Mine H 149 plus the color. Tan, green, or black. Okay? I think I also have some. Oh, this one is super gorgeous. I'm not so sure if you're into vanity. Okay, so the vanity CC, I have this one. Okay, super cute. Oh, this one is super cute in what you call this one. I forgot the no tweed design. So yeah, very spacious. This is what I like, okay? This is what I like, all right? This is selling. This was $159, less $30. It's going to be $129 today only, okay? So anyone wants, okay? CC 129. And I also have the real leather, okay? All right, this is the real leather, 129. Same style inside. There's a mirror. Okay, so you just need to say mine CC vanity leather, mine 129 na lang. Okay, and then send me a screenshot. Okay, all right. So diretso tayo kay Sis Jen because she will message me. Okay, all right. Guys, I really love this one. I love this, this bag. Okay. All right, next. Next tayo. Okay, I'm going to show Sis Jen some of the what you call it. Okay, Sis Evelyn, I'll wait for your message. Sis Jen, nandiyan ka pa? Do you need the white one? Because I think I've shown you the white one. The white one is actually, if you want it. Yeah, this is the mother of pearl that I'm wearing, Let. Okay, so Let, this one is actually, I provided it. The real size of the chain is really for shirts. This is a long chain, okay? Kaya I use a different chain. Ayan, this is a long chain. Not that long, but it's long kapag sinuot ko na. Alright, so you would see the stamp here. Okay? This is a nice. You could see the stamp here as well. Okay? The stamp brand. You know what? This is 35 to 45. I'm selling it for my November because I'm pushing this one. This is so super gorgeous. This is only selling for $22. Okay, mine 63. Okay, so you want this one, Let? Okay, mine 63 for Let. Okay, and also for Jen, yeah, she wants the black, so I need to actually get Jen the black. Jen, are you still there? Mine 63 and 22. 63 for $22. That's right. Okay, hold on. This one is yours, Let. Okay, and then I'm gonna give Jen as well. So this one is 63, code 63 for $22. Let. Okay, Let, this is super gorgeous, I tell you. Okay, Let, this one is yours. Yes, di ba kumuha ng bracelet? So this is code 22 for $22. 123-321-123. And also, I got Evelyn's message. She wants also the 63, okay? I can see your messages, Evelyn, okay? So you don't have to worry. I got you there. I got you, my dear. Okay. Oo, kasi minsan kasi, di ba? Minsan lumilitaw sa inyo, sa akin hindi. Alright? I like that. You need to make sure, hey, nakita mo ba? Okay, thank you for that, Sis Evelyn. Okay, I'm not so sure that dyan pa si Jen, okay? This one is yours, Miss Evelyn, for $22. Okay, ang ganda nito, okay? And then for Jen, yung 61, she minded, okay? So I'm going to give Jen the 61. I think Jen took off. Mamaya na yun babalik, okay? So, all right. This one is for Jen. This one is code 61. Okay, $22 for Jen. Okay. Mahilig ka. Dapat sa susunod si Eve. Si Evelyn, gagawin ko na Eve. Sis Evelyn, mahilig ako sa 3-letter. Okay. Si Lilet, ginawa kong Let. Okay. Si Jenya, ginawa kong Jen. O, Jen, this one is your black. Code 61, my dear. Maganda rin ang black. Alam nyo, ito po ang bilis maubos. You should have the black and white because this is the traditional that they want to get, okay? So, if anyone wants the black, mine 61. Sis Jen, this one is yours, okay? And if you want the white, mine 63. Hindi pa dapat the jewelry, pero it's okay lang. Yun ang gusto nyo, di ba? Ano pa ba ang gusto ninyo? Alright? Let's check that one. Okay. So, I also have Sis Evelyn, baka, kasi si Lilat kumuha na nito eh. Si Lilat kumuha na ng kanyang $22 ko rin binibigay ito. Oh my goodness gracious. This one is a gorgeous RC bracelet. Okay, ayan. Alright, ito ang kapartner nung kanyang, kapartner nung white. Okay? Ito yon, partner niya. Meron din akong black na lang. You want to actually exchange the white to black. Sure, if that is your wish, we can do that. Ibahin ko lang po ang ang code ha. So you want the black sis, no? Am I right? Yes. So sis Evelyn, I just wanted to confirm, you want to switch your white to black? Yeah, they are so gorgeous. I would recommend that you get, for your basic basic collection, the white and black. It will not do you wrong. This one is so gorgeous. Kukunin na yata ni Sis Jen din yung white. It's okay. Yeah, so this one, I'll get the black para may code. Okay, so this one. All right. So if you want the white, it's 63. If you want the black, it's actually the 61. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's it. That's it. That's the 60. That's the color. Okay. So just let me know if you want to switch or you want to take both. All right. And also the bracelet, if anyone. Did you see it, Sis Evelyn? And if anyone wants the bracelet, it's also for 22. 61 then. She wants the 61. Okay. 61 is the black. Okay. So you want to take this one and go to 61. I can do that. I can just erase this one. Okay. Sis Evelyn, this one is your 61. I erased the 63, so you got the black. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. The white one is so gorgeous too. Okay, so next, so I got Let, the Jen, and also Evelyn. Okay, all right, let's go. Now, the next time that you wanted to, I also have the earrings for black. So if anyone have, okay, thank you, Evelyn. I'll see you again next time. Okay, enjoy your Wednesday at work. Okay, so Let, baka gusto mong, ay, yung black mo, Let, meron din siyang bracelet. Okay, I'll show you. This is also 22. Oh my goodness. This is super gorgeous, Let. Okay, so nagkaroon kasi ako, before, nagkaroon ako ng RC, wala siyang stamp. This one has a stamp, okay? It has a stamp at the back. Alright, and it's also it bears a stamp. Yeah, sa back lang siya may stamp, okay? So this one is only 22. Oh, di ba gorgeous siya? You have the, unti-unti mararating, okay? You have the, necklace, and you have this. It's only for $22, okay? So if you want the black, mine 81. Thank you, Evelyn. Okay, mine 81 for the black. Okay, so let's go sa ating bags, okay? So, before we continue with our jewelry, does anyone need bags na pwede kong ipakita? There's a lot of, I'm not so sure if you're into Kate Spade or Coach bags. They are on sale right now, okay? Nandito ka ba kahapon, Let, nung nagpakita ako sa iyo ng maraming bags. Oh my goodness, I think the bags are just flying out of my shelves. Ang dami pong bumili. Okay, so if anyone wants, I still have some other items here. Okay, this is the gorgeous MK. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is gorgeous black MK. This is actually, they call this one a phone crossbody bag. Para siyang, it's similar with the Marc Jacobs style. Okay, it has 2 compartments. It has a middle thing like here. And this one is the crossbody strap. Ayan. My goodness. This one was selling before. Oh my goodness. This was selling for $100 $35, $135. Then I brought it to, nasa Malakay kami kahapon. Pas muna ako sa bag. O, pas ka muna. Sige, hindi ko na ito ipakita. Ba't ipapakita ko sa mga nanonood, okay? But this one, ladies, okay, I'm only giving this one tonight. This one, this gorgeous MK. Alright. This is actually with tag and everything. This is only $89, okay? So if anyone wants this, I'm going to give you a code for this. Just code it with a simple code. It has also a pocket here and a pocket here that you could close and open. It has a, yeah, so you could put your phone inside here. All right, so you don't have to put it inside the zipper, you know, this and that. So you could just put it here. Mine MK89. Mine MK89 for this. Mine MK89. All right. Okay, sorry po. This one is super gorgeous. This is Kate, okay? This is Kate Spade in real leather, okay? Kate Spade in real leather, super gorgeous. Say very roomy for a medium bag, okay? This is like a Kelly type bag, okay? It has a gorgeous real leather crossbody strap. This is how it looks. So this one, ladies, yung mga gusto pong mag-invest ng inyong mga real leather ones, this is only for $89. I'm giving everything for this until today lang po kasi in-extend ko, okay? In-extend ko yung ating bag sale. So if anyone wants this, this is only $89. By the way, just wanted to tell you before you mine this one, and if actually you mine it after my live, you need to mine it today, okay? Today after my live, I'm giving everybody who is still at work to have the chance to really mine the items just for today until 12 midnight. If you are going to mine it tomorrow, the price is no longer that price that I'm giving right now, okay? So if you want this one, just let me know. Hey, I wasn't able to actually watch your live, but if you message me tonight until midnight, pasok po yung inyong sale amount for this. So if anyone wants this, just screenshot the one that you want, okay? Don't give me the code. Screenshot the one you want, and then you say mine 89, mine Kate 89, okay? Next tayo, mag-ano tayo, jewelry tayo. Okay, for the other items, mamaya ko po ipapakita yung iba. Alright, hold on lang po ha. Now, this one is a very gorgeous, I would say, you know, unisex bag. Pwedeng panlalaki ito. Pwede mong ibili si ano nito, si Ryan or si sweetheart mo. This one is unisex. It can be worn by men and women. Okay, top quality ko rin ito because they say top quality because this one, all the trimmings here is made of real leather. Okay, ito I'm giving this one for only, oh grabe naman, for tonight I'm giving this one for only $115. Mine PRA for $115. Mine PRA for $115. Ang ganda po ng kanyang mga, tingnan niyo po, ang ganda. I love the quality of the strap. Kapal po siya, maganda. Okay? Hindi po siya pipitsugin na ano. Okay, and it has this ano. So if anyone wants this, okay? Okay, let's go to our jewelries, okay? Para bago pa lang gusto na magpahinga ni seller. Para ako napagod po. Sandali lang po ha, for those who are here. Alright. So, hold on lang. Mine. Okay. Alright. I'll just put it here para hindi magkahalo-halo po ha. I have a surprise for you today for the jewelries. Hold on lang po. Can you give me a couple of minutes po? Meron lang po akong titingnan ha. Couple of minutes. I'll be right with you. Okay, thank you for your patience, ladies. Okay, thank you so very much po ha. Alright, so let's do this. Not very sure if you could actually see me or hear me clearly. Can anyone comment if you could not hear me from far away? I just adjusted our Hi there. Ladies, so itong suot ko po, this is also available. Okay? This is all available. Hi, Sis Ruby. I can see your message in the messenger. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, ladies, this one is super, super duper gorgeous. This is actually the modern Filipina premium dress that we have. I have available colors for this one. Thank you so much, Papa, for confirming. I have, I think, peach and pink. Peach and pink, okay? And this one, okay? And the blue one, okay? But this one, I think I mined this already. But if anyone wants to actually, hey, I want to grab that, you can grab this one, okay? I mined this already for myself. But if anyone wants this one, this is feel free for grab. This is only $35. So if you want this, mine blue 35, and I have also the pink one, okay? I have the pink one. This one is super duper duper gorgeous, okay? So this is the pink one. Look at this, okay? Look at this. I love this one could fit medium to XL only. Medium to XL. Just imagine how could this actually fit a medium sized to XL size, because they have all the, you know, at the back. So it's like a smock dress that it has garterized at the back. So you could definitely extend it to the users, okay? And yeah, it's actually super gorgeous. So if anyone wants this one, I have the pink one, okay? It has belt and the pocket, you know, it has belt and pocket, okay, both sides. So it's so gorgeous. And I have the pink one. I'll actually get the pink one. The fabric is super duper duper gorgeous po. Ang ganda. All you need to do, there is a care instructions. At the back, there's actually, we'll be providing the care instructions for this. So this one is actually for the pink. This is super gorgeous dress. So, and then I have another one. Let me go and check that one real quick. Okay, that is the pink one, and this is the other color. Okay, before I go to jewelry, so look at the peach. Oh, pasensya na kayo, hindi ko pa to na steam. Okay, hold on po. Ba't nagkakaganito ang aking computer? Okay. Okay, ladies. Hindi po ako nakapag, sa inyo, makikita nyo po ang ating live every time you open your page, okay? So kahit hindi po ako mag-share, you can definitely see it, okay? So this one is also a gorgeous Filipiniana, modern Filipiniana dress. Okay, this is only selling for $35. So if anyone wants, the simple code that you need to use is mine 35 blue, mine 35 peach, and mine 35 pink. Okay? Good morning po sa inyo, sis Adele. Alright, so next po tayo. Alright, I think let's go to jewelries. Alright, let's go to jewelries and we'll utilize the time that we have. Okay, I really needed to make this one real quick for the jewel. There's a lot of you who messaged me and wanting to get the jewelries, because yesterday we're actually debating whether to have jewelries, but because of the enthusiasm of the crowd to get our bags, so we actually did the bags yesterday, okay? But now let's try and do jewelries. Okay, hold on lang po ha. If anyone wants to see more of the bags, feel free to actually let me know. Tell me that, hey, I wanted to see more of your bags. Just comment, okay? And let me know that you want to see the bags, all right? That is not a problem at all. Okay, so let me know. Hold on lang po, ha? All right. Hello, Five. How are you doing? Okay, so the one that I'm wearing right now, the pendant, this is actually the RC jewelry. And I have collected a lot colors for the RC, so you get to have this, the pendant. Also, if you want to have also this gorgeous, I did not wear my bracelet because I chose to wear my midnight blue clover. Okay, we are also selling this one. Okay, oh my goodness, but the color is not yet available. I think we will have that pretty soon, so watch out for the arrivals. And this one is really gorgeous. This is only selling for $15. So if anyone wants, I'm going to to flex the one that I have right now. Okay, so you have all the items that you will be needing. But before that, let's take a look at this nice and gorgeous jewelries on my desk. Okay, hold on lang po, ha? All right, so there you go. Okay. Sis Jen, nandiyan ka na ba? Nakabalik ka na ba, Sis Jenya? All right. So I have here the gorgeous CC. Okay. Look at this, ladies. Ang ganda po. You can definitely use this one as a long pendant. Okay, as a long pendant, or you can just use this as a regular necklace with 2-layer. So mahaba ito. It is long, okay? I just put it like that. So it's up to you. And this one is super gorgeous. Look at that. All right. I love the, I love the way they actually made this one. All right. This one, ladies, is only selling for $35. $35, okay? Medyo po medyo mabigat ang kanyang price because alam niyo po ito, mabigat po ito. It's not a real pearl, it's a faux pearl, but the faux is really gorgeous, okay? So hindi naman talaga sila nagre-real pearl eh. Okay, hold on po, ha? Ayan, so pwede nyo siyang iganyan. Oh, di ba? So if you want to use this as a mini choker or a slightly choker, you can definitely do that. You can adjust and you can wear it as a long necklace as well. Now the other one is really gorgeous. So you could see that one right here. So pag sinuot nyo siya, it has 3 dito. Tatlo, it has a zircon or a zircon type here, and also a 2-layer pearls, and then they cut it and just made it to 1-layer pearl. This one is super gorgeous po. Maganda ito suot sa mga special occasions na maganda pong suotan ng pearl na to. So if you want this one, I'm going to give the code, all right? So for this one, just say mine 171 and this is $35. And then the one that I've shown you, this one, ito siya, tingnan nyo po. Pwede nyo rin isuot itong long one into something like this. It's up to you and how you're going to actually show it or wear it. So, hindi talaga siya mahaba lagi. Okay? You can definitely adjust it and put it as a choker or a long necklace. It's up to you. Now, if you want the long necklace convertible to double-layer choker, you want to get it at for only $35, okay? Mine 680. Mine 680. Okay, so I have more chokers here. Hold on. These chokers are really gorgeous for special occasions, ladies. You know, every woman needs a sissy. This one is super gorgeous. I worn mine And it's really gorgeous po. Ang ganda-ganda. Even if you're wearing a simple shirt or top, tapos lagyan mo nito. Oh my goodness. Ladies, this one is selling for at only $25. Okay? Ito, hindi pala to 4 layer. 2 layer po ito. 2 layer the side. Dalawa po ang available ko for this. Okay, so if anyone wants this, this one is selling for only $25. 0.73 for this. Okay? 0.73 for this one. Okay? All right. And the other one here. These are the other necklaces. Now, another one that's selling really like hotcake is this combination of, this is a handmade, look at that. This is a handmade camellia, okay? Handmade camellia with champagne pearl, faux pearl colors, okay? This is super gorgeous po, okay? So this one is selling for only, okay, this one is, nare-receive akong message sa aking supplier. Okay, sandali lang pa. So this one is only selling for $28. Okay, $28 for this. So if anyone wants this, okay, mine 0.43 for $28. Okay, this one is super gorgeous. Take a look at that. This one is not light. It's kind of heavy, but it's not super heavy, okay? Because they use an alloy on this camellia. Look at that, how intricate, okay? How wonderful they actually made this one. Oh my goodness, ladies. If you are going, hi, Tony, how are you? If you are going to actually get this one. Tony, I was wearing the blue one. Have you seen sandali lang ha. I'm just actually just letting everyone know that yeah, I'm wearing the blue one right now. Okay? So this one is the Filipiniana. Actually, this one can be worn with this. Look at that. It's gorgeous, right? Oh, diba? So this one is only $28. If you want this one, mine for this, I'll give you the code. The GFM model. Yes, the GFM model is in the house. Siya po yung model natin ngayon, okay? So for this one, I'll give this a code. Bigyan ko ito ng code. This one is 0.43, okay? 0.43. This one is only for $28. Okay. Oh, you want to see the whole dress, okay? May peach and pink pa dito. Sandali, ipakita ko. Hindi. Bagay sa iyo to. Sandali, I'm going to put it here. Sana hindi ako mawala. Mahilig akong magpipindot ng telepono ko tas nawawala, okay? Alright. So, this is how it looks. Ay, sorry po. Whole dress na ba? Okay. So, this one. Oh, yeah. Remember, I actually sold this one to you. A lot got this chain. Okay, the real chain is longer, so you know it's not a problem if you have a long chain. All you need to do is actually just invest on chains. You know, I got a lot of chains. You can definitely adjust and use that for other pendants. Okay, so this is the way it looked, the Filipiniana. Super gorgeous, okay? Super gorgeous, this one. So it's really good, especially the color. And this one is also adjustable at the back. So I recommend this to not small. I recommend this to medium. Medium to large only, okay? Because the chest is just right for me. But my chest is, I think 42 is XL size. I'm not so sure. Okay, so if you are chest 42, this can definitely fit you, okay? And it's good because it has a V collar, V-neck design, and nagpa-pop up ng ganyan, okay? So I have two more colors available. I have the peach and the pink. Oh my goodness, the peach and the pink is so gorgeous. Okay, ang ganda. This is not padded because hindi siya naman, kasi look at the the style. kapag ang style kasi niya medyo nakalagay dito, okay, yung masyadong kita, I don't have another royal blue. Sorry, Tony. This is my only royal blue. But sabi ko nga kanina, I announced, if anyone wants to grab it, you can grab it from me, okay? You can grab it from me. It's okay, okay? So, this one is 35. Mine, blue 35. And I have the pink one. The pink one, when I wore it, I said, mas nagbumata ako. It's really different if you're wearing the dress. Okay, oh yeah. Okay, and this one is super gorgeous din. Tingnan nyo sa face ninyo, di ba? Parang ang bata-bata natin, oh, di ba? This one is the peach one. All you need to do is steam this one. Okay? Ito, in-steam ko lang ito. Kaya tingnan mo, oh, di ba? Ang ganda niya. Plastadang-plastada siya. I-steam it. Okay? Don't actually... kasi ngayon, hindi naman yata uso na yung maiinit na plancha, puro steam na lahat, di ba? So, ayan na, okay? If anyone wants to grab what itong suot ko ngayon, it's actually 35, but if you just need it. And if you want the pink and the peach, just say, mine peach 35, mine pink 35, okay? Next. So, yun lang naman. Punta ulit tayo sa jewelry. Okay, punta tayo sa jewelry. So, that's how it looks. Di ba? Ang gorgeous niya. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's go. Maganda ang tela niya. O sige, gusto mo, hubarin ko na ito ngayon kasi ayokong maano eh. Can I grab that royal blue? Okay, say the magic word. Magbibihis ako. I'll make bihis, okay? Sandali. Just grab that one. No worries. So, Tony, because I'm so tamad, okay, claim royal blue. I'm so tamad. Sinuot ko to parang t-shirt, okay? Because this is button-down dress, ladies, okay? So, if you take a look at that one, it's button-down dress, okay? So, pag suot ko, it's like I'm wearing t-shirt. sinusuot ko na lang bigla. So this is one of my new collection for the Filipiniana as well. Kararating lang yung kulay niya. Unfortunately, I think I have 2 colors left only. I'm not so sure if there's still one or ito na lang. Okay, I think I have 2. Okay, I have 2. Okay, so this one is yours, Tony. Okay, I'm so happy that you like it. All right, so I will prepare this one for you. Okay, hold on. All right, hold on, my dear. I'm going to get your note for your $35. Okay. So if anyone wants to get this one, this is also Filipiniana. All right, this one is actually the pink one. Previously, I only have brown and black. Okay, but I think meron pong dumating. It's also a baby pink type of Filipiniana. So this one is also with pocket. All right, ayan po siya. Very gorgeous po. It's so good. It's so gorgeous, especially when you're wearing it sa sa special occasion or even sa Sunday dresses nyo. It's really gorgeous po. Okay. So this blue is yours, Tony. Sandali, ha? Actually, original ito kay Tony talaga. Okay? Remember, Tony? Sabi ko, sige kung ayaw mo sa akin na lang. I really love the blue. Okay? But, you know, this one is, wala na ito. Okay? So, this one is yours, Tony. I'll just have this one for you right now. Okay, Tony, can we have a screenshot of your royal blue? 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Mabigat ito, Tony. I think this is more than 1 pound, okay? Because puro fabric, okay? I know you would because you have the, this one is a bit heavier. Plus the other one, yung mga brocade na dumating. Okay? So this one is a little heavier. Okay? Alright, next tayo. Okay, so for those who wants to get this one, this is also Filipiniana. Just say this is dusty pink. I would say this is dusty pink. It's not pink, it's dusty pink. I think I already purchased. Yeah, ang dami na niyang na-purchase na dress. Iba pa po doon sa mga since she began actually mining, and mukhang ang majority din sa closet po niya nasa galing sa GFM. But of course, she actually bought something from other friend niya po na resellers din. Okay? So, yeah. So, this one is actually very gorgeous. Okay? I love this one. So, I'm keeping one for myself. Okay, halika na. Dito na tayo sa ating jewelries. Okay? So, if anyone wants to mine the pink one, let me know. Okay. Time check. I will be with you until what time is it? Oh my goodness. It's actually 4. It's actually 4. Almost 4. So, 30 minutes na lang pala ako. Okay? But anyway, hello there, H. Hi, welcome to my live. This is the house of clothing, okay, premium dresses from GFM US. I also had jewelries, okay, both branded and waterproof PVD. And I also have fragrances, our new collection of added to our line. We also have kids shop for kids. I haven't had the time to actually flex the kids clothes. And also, we also have pet clothes. I haven't had the time or the chance to do it, but I will do it. Okay, we are on sale for bags just for today. I've already shown it. first hour of this live, you can definitely watch the replay and screenshot what you want to mine. The prices is effective only until today up to midnight. So if you want to mine and you were not able to be with us during the early hours of our live, you can definitely message me and say, hey, I would love to actually get this one. I'll send you a screenshot and then mine the item. So I need screenshot and the mine code, okay? So that's it. That's very simple, okay? All you need to do is communicate with me if this is still available or not, okay? Let's go. Let's go with our jewelry. So, anything that you want me to flex before I proceed with jewelries? Baka meron pa pong may mga gusto sa inyo, hey, can you flex this one and this one? I can definitely do that. Mas gusto ko yung ganon. So, at least, we will not waste time. Okay? We will not waste time. Ang kagandahan dito sa mga dresses po namin is, it can fit small to XL. Di ba ang ganda nun? It can fit small to XL. So, if anyone wants the one that I'm wearing, this is only $35. Okay? This one is actually, maraming kumuha kanina. I'm not so sure if Jenya is, she just stepped out. She was mining and she said, oh, I wanted to get the mother of pearl, but she just, my nail ring. Yes, I think I still have the nail ring. Hold on, I'll get the nail, tray. The nail tray, the ring tray for you. How many nail rings do you need, Olet? Okay, the rings for today, I can definitely give this one for $5. These are really gorgeous rings po, ha. Huwag nyo lang po abusuhin. Kahit sabihin kong waterproof, hindi siya PVD, ha. Okay, iba ang waterproof sa merong PVD. Okay, this one, for one last is actually $28. Mine, $0.43. Okay, sandali lang. Ipasok ko muna ito bago tayo mag-ring. Ring-a-ling-a-ling. Okay. There you go. So, my last live for the week would be tomorrow. So, I hope you could join me tomorrow. It's going to be a blast. Okay? So, let's go and find these little babies here. Medyo babahaginan ko na kayo nitong mga, tatanggalin ko na. Ladies, my pearls, my CC pearls are just so gorgeous po. When you're ready, just let me know. Medyo may kabigatan siya pero gorgeous. Okay? Next. Okay, dito na tayo sa nail ring. Alright? Okay. Okay, I'm going to just give you time to see our available rings. Alright. There you go. There you go. Hold on. Konti na lang po ito. I only have few left. But let's check, no? There you go. Okay. Yes, Tony, I will keep one for myself. I love it, Tony. Okay, so we also have brown and black. Nasuot mo na yung black, Tony. Mukhang hindi ko nakita yun sa iyong mga minodel ngayon. Okay, so I have gold and silver. This 52, I only have 2 silver left, and this one is 94, okay? I'm going to give this one for $5. If anyone wants, these are the nail rings that I have left, okay? This one is different style. It has a 3-layer, like this, 3-layer. Ayaw niyang focus. It has 3-layer. So there you go, okay? So if you want this, I have 42 I have 42, 52, and 94. Okay, let me know which one you want. Magandang pangregalo ito. $5 each. So if you have a lot of friends or your children's teachers. Oh my goodness. Hi, Ria. You can definitely give them this $5 ring. 64. I only have the 64 that I have here. I only have 2 left. Okay, so I only have 2 left for this one is 94. Okay, and this one is 64, the silver one. Okay, I only have 2 left. Now, with regards to the BVL serpentine, this one is waterproof. Mine 42. Okay, so you'll get the 42 left. Okay, I'll give you this one. Okay, this is a 3-layer. This one is super gorgeous. Ayan siya, oh, super duper gorgeous siya. Okay, ayan, all right. This one is the 42. So if you're going to wear, Ruru, mommy is here. Why are you crying, sweetheart? Okay, Ruru, mommy is here. So this is how it looks. This is adjustable, ladies, ha? If you want to adjust, there's an adjustment here at the bottom. You can just adjust, okay? All right. So this one is yours, Let, for $5. Hold on. What do you want here? Ano, Ria? Do you want to get the 64? Everything. See, I only have 2 pieces for 64. The 64 is gorgeous. I love this one kasi and I only have 183, okay? Sorry, ladies. Those are already sold out from my supplier kaya hindi na po ako nakakuha, okay? I don't have any more like that. Bilis po na ubos. Okay, so this one is for you, Let, $5. This is actually code 42. All right. So if you want this, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, Let. Thank you, thank you. All right. 84. I don't have 84. I have 94. I don't have the 84, Ria. I have 94. Okay. I have 94. I have 64. I have 83. I have 42. I don't whatever I have here in the tray, that's the only one I have. So for 94 I only have 4, okay? And then yes, that's all I have right now. And they are so sorry, they are so sold out. I can no longer give or I can no longer restock, okay? All right. So that's the one I have right now. If you want to get it, I don't have the 6, sorry po. I can no longer give 6 for now. Okay. So does anyone still wants it? These are the only one that I have left. Okay. What I love about this serpentine is really gorgeous because this one is waterproof. Okay. This one is waterproof. This gorgeous one. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It has a tail and it has the head. So gorgeous. I don't know how, this one is super gorgeous. I love the way they did it. This one is actually selling. Oh, I have, if you're looking for rings, I only have the 6 for this, for ano. Oh, and even this one, I only have, 1, 2, 3. I only have different sizes for the snake, okay, for the serpent, for the BVL. Okay, one like this and the other one is like that. So I don't have the 6 already. I'll check with, do you need just rings? If you need some rings, this is the only rings that I have left, okay? So I don't have the 6 pieces, except if you want the silver, I have the complete 6 pieces of the 42. I have I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Because I I think 40 pieces of this one, okay? Because this one, sabi, mawawala na. Kaya I really got the silver because before we don't have a silver. It's hard to get the silver. Now, nung nagkaroon, I said, I'm gonna get that. So, yan na lang ang natitira, okay? So, I have the only six, I have 6 pieces of other rings. Okay, so this gorgeous rings, I have 6 pieces. It's so, this is, these are the items that I have right now that has 6 pieces. Okay, so, also I think I have, yeah, I only have few items that have 6. But if you can actually wait, I have clovers coming in anytime. Okay, the clovers that's coming in anytime soon. And I have 6 pieces of a lot of styles. Okay, so kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali, Ria. Okay, so this one is also for $5. Ayan po siya. This is how it looks pag sinuot ninyo. Super gorgeous din ito. Okay? So this one is actually the mother of pearl ring. Okay? This is a mother of pearl ring. It's actually style watch. Okay? Pero hindi yan, it's not working. Okay? So this is a mother of pearl. Okay? So this one, it's only $5. So if you want this, mine 53 for this. Okay, only for $5. And I also have silver. Okay, time check 4:04. All right. So this is the only one that I have right now. I did not get any more kasi po I intend to get wait a minute po. Meron palang nag-order sa akin ito. I might forget to give her this one. The 7. Also, sandali lang po ate, pasensya ka na. I forgot to give you the size 7. Ate Thelma, if you're watching, this one is yours. Buti na lang nakita ko. So this one is mine 79. I have for the LV, I have size 7. I have size 6 and 8. Okay? So if anyone wants this one is super gorgeous. This one is yours, Ate Evelyn, for $12, okay? Hold on po, ha? Wait lang po. Nag-mine po siya. I forgot to actually give her the items. Okay. Yeah. Because I have those ordered for you, Ria. Remember, I asked you if you need what you need. I actually ordered 6 pieces of those. Ria, those are actually necklaces. So they are stamped necklaces. So they are going to be available very soon, in 2 weeks, I think. I'm looking at that timeline. I hope it will come by that time. Okay, so this one is yours, Ate Thelma. So this one is 79. Thelma, okay. Ate Thelma, this one is yours. Sorry po. Ate Thelma, this one is yours for $12. The LV mono ring, size 7. Okay? If anyone wants, I still have 6, 7, and 8 for the 79, for code 79. I only have 1, 6, 2, 7, and 1, 8. 1, 7, and 2, 8s. Okay? So this one is better. I have the size 8. Okay, I have, this one is size 6. Oh my. So I have 6, 7, and 8. All right. So if you want it, just mine it. Mine it if you want it. I have 2, 6. Okay, it's there. I have 2, 6. I have 2, 8s and 1, 7. Okay, so if you want this one, just mine 79 for that. Okay, mine 79, and this one is mine 97. For mine 97, I have 6 and 9. This one is super gorgeous then. Okay. All right. Ate Thelma, screenshot 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Next. Okay, no more rings. We're going to another one. Okay, let's go. Does anyone wants to see some gorgeous items here? Like, hold on po, ha? Okay. Ladies, this one, ang ganda po ng mga ano natin. I'm gonna bring it back. This one, if anyone wants po, ha? I'm gonna bring this back. Oh, goodness gracious. These are gorgeous po. Alright? So, kanina, earlier, part of our our live, marami nag-mine nito. I only have this left. Dalawa na lang po ang black ko. This is the most sought after color. Okay? Hold on. Okay, so this one, kita nyo po yung ano, yung kanyang, ayan po. If you're going to see that's the brand. Okay. So, if you see that one, stamped din siya. Ayan din yung stamp niya. Alright. There you go. Ladies, this one is only selling for $22. So, this is selling in others between 35 to 45. That is the correct price. 35 to 45. Kasi po, mahal po talaga ito. And this one is coded, okay, stamped, okay? So if anyone wants this for $22, I only have 2 left. I only have 2 pendants left, okay? Itong suot ko po, yun din, RC po ang suot ko. Mine 22 for this. Mine 61 pala. Mine 61 for $22. And it's paired with an earring. Hindi siya set po ha, kaya you can definitely just choose which one you want. You want to invest with the earrings first. The earrings is only $15, okay? So if you want the earrings for $15, I'm gonna give you a code. Hold on, but walang code si earrings. I think ito na lang natitira yata. I still have 2, okay? I still have 2 earrings left. I'm giving this one a code, a new code for the earrings. Okay, for this one, $15 for the earrings. Mine 40. Mine 40 for $15. And it is also stamped, okay? Mine 40 for $15. And if you want just the bracelet, of course you can do that. You can definitely wear or actually just focus on your bracelet if you want. So the other side is actually gold with a stamp, and then the other side is black. So it's, you can definitely use either all gold or a combination of gold and black, or just the black part, okay? Just the black part. For this one, it's actually $22. So if you want this is super gorgeous one. This is how it looks kapag nilagay nyo sa inyong kamay. That one, $22. Okay, if you want this, okay, so gorgeous. Mine 81 for $22. Oh my goodness. Super gorgeous, isn't it? Okay. All right. I have other colors, but I don't want to give that to you in case, unless you actually request, hey, do you have this color or this one? Because I have a lot. I have one in silver and one in gold. So I just wanted to make sure that we don't waste our time showing everything that you don't need. Okay. So if you need something, just let me know. Just comment. Okay. And I also have the red. Okay, this is the red. Look at the red. It's super gorgeous po mga kaibigan, alright? So you can definitely use any chain you want. If you want this pendant to be used as a choker, you can definitely do that. Just change the chain, alright? The red bracelet is just so gorgeous. This one is really just in time for your Christmas. It's 41 if you want this for $22, okay? Very gorgeous. Okay, so much and so forth. I think I will not be doing this one. I also have silver. I'll just tell you the colors, okay? Or show you something. Okay, this one is the green. This one is the blue. Again, I'm showing it. I think I've shown this in the first part. So I will be showing the silver para at least hindi ko pa na-show ang silver. Okay, silver green. Super gorgeous. Okay. I also have silver red. I like it. I have also I have the silver green over here. This one is super gorgeous. And I also have, hold on po ha. I have the silver. So if anyone wants silver, I have silver for the white silver. This is mother of pearl silver, okay? This is mother of pearl. Look how gorgeous the mother of pearl silver is, okay? It's super, super, super gorgeous, okay? If you want the mother of pearl silver, mine's 76 for $22. Okay, and I also have gold mother of pearl, okay? The gold mother of pearl is so gorgeous. Grabe po ang ganda. Ayan. Mine 91 for this. Mine 91. All right. That's for $22. Super gorgeous. The pendant for also $22. So if you want to just invest on this and that, and then you just need to actually do the next batch, you can definitely do that. And this one is the silver pink. Super gorgeous, okay? Oh, so much for this, okay? Let's do this. Okay. Ah. I only have one left, okay, for this. I only have one LV na dumating. Okay, hold on po, ha? Okay, I can't zoom in. Ayan, there you go. Have you seen this one, the code 54? Code 54, I only have one left, okay? Oh my goodness, this one is super gorgeous po, okay? Code 54, this is the only one I have left. All right, ladies, I'm giving this one for $8 today. Okay, if you want this, mine 54 for only $8. I only have one left. Okay, I only have one left for $8. Okay, next, mine 54 for that. There. And I have a multi-charm. These are new arrivals, okay? Multi-charm, LV, okay? Also for $8, this is stamp, okay? With all the colors that you see. Okay, we have the green, we have the white, okay, red and black. Okay, also for $8. Okay, mine 53 for this. For $8. Oh, sorry about that. I just... Just let me know which item interests you most. I can definitely show you those. Hold on lang po, ha? Okay. Let me know if you are looking for something else other than what I'm showing you right now, because I don't want to waste your time. Maybe you need something else, and I'm not showing it right now. Okay, so let me know, ladies. Okay, don't you actually huwag kayong mahiya. Is that the word that I have to say? Huwag mahiya, okay? So just let me know which one you want, okay? This is my personal favorite. I love this one. Okay, so because this is a chain, no, a charm bracelet. It's so gorgeous, all right? So this one is really good for gifting. And this one, ladies, I'm giving you a good price for this. A wholesale price, okay, for $8. This is selling for $15, okay? And I'm giving this only for $8. And take note, these are stamped jewelries, okay? These are stamped jewelries. And I think I only have one of this. I only have one left for 50. Okay, so if anyone wants this one is super gorgeous. Nakita niyo kung gaano siya ka-elegant. Gold is really elegant. Okay, gold. And this one is actually a very gorgeous piece of item. If you want this, mine 50 for $8. Okay. And this one has also necklace. So this one goes with this. Okay, so this one goes with this. The other thing that's different, the necklace is actually just tiny. Okay, the logo is tiny. It's super, I would say, super, what you call it? This is a choker already. This is not a necklace. Okay, so if you want this is a choker. It's actually mine 55 for this. Okay. Oh, this one is gorgeous. I only have one, I think. Okay, this one is mine 56 for this, only for $8. So everything here that you could see, and also the necklace. Okay, this one is $8, mine 57. And if you have, if you want this one, the other one with charm necklace, this is $8 also for 58. Okay. Mine 58. And this one is double layered. Okay, double layered brand. This one, double layered necklace. This one is really gorgeous because it feels like you have two bracelets. Mine 48 for this. Okay, for only $8. This one is super gorgeous. At 47, you know, this is the only one left. It's super gorgeous. Tingnan nyo po, ha? Naku, sayang, hindi nyo ito, hindi nyo, nahirapan ako magsalita, okay? Sayang po hindi nyo ma-appreciate ito kasi hindi nyo nakikita, hindi nyo na-feel kaagad, ayan, no? It can definitely, maganda ito isuot nyo like tight para kitang ganyan, alright? And then, this can be worn by up to size 22, okay? If you're size 22, this one is a good item for you to give for yourself and for your loved ones. Mine 46 for $8. Okay, time check 4:21. I only have 9 minutes left before I say goodbye to everyone. All right, so this one is actually a very gorgeous piece of it's so, I would say, simple but elegant. Oh my goodness, ladies, kunin niyo po ito. Isa lang po ang nakuha ko. Wala nang available for this, okay? And this is only for $8. Oh my goodness. Okay, and it has a heart diamond there. So if you want this one, mine 45. I only have one. Okay, mine 45 for this. All right, hi pa. I'm almost done in 8 minutes. Ayan. Hello, 5. I think no one interested there about that one. Okay, so if anyone is looking for this kind of earrings, I still have this one is super gorgeous po. I have one like this. This is my premium thief earring, okay? This is my premium thief earring and it's selling This was selling $25 before. I cannot sell it less than that, more th more than, I mean, I cannot sell it less than 20. So this one is actually, if you want this one, I only have few pieces. Ay, yun na lang yata. Ay, wait, I only have 2 sets left. This is the other design. One for this design, okay? So if you want this one, mine for this, mine 073. Mine 073 for this, okay? This is my premium earring. Okay, ayan po siya ha. You need to actually just click there. Ayan, ayan. Click nyo lang po dito. Papasok na po siya. Teka, hindi ko makita. Ayan. Okay, click lang po siya. Click, 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 click. Ayan, click, click, click. Okay, so if you want this one, I only have 2 earrings, 1 set left. Mine 073. Only from $25, I'm bringing it down to 20. Okay, this is actually premium po ito. Premium, authentic quality. Okay, but I have another one that's not premium. Okay, but it's actually iba po dito sa isa. Okay, so this one is selling for $15. So if anyone wants it, mine 38. Mine 38 for $15. Okay, next. I'll be showing you teeth earrings right now. So if anyone wants hardware earrings, okay, hardware. There you go. Hello, 7. We have all the hardware earrings here. This one is super, super duper gorgeous. I love this one. I'm not so sure if you're a fan of dangling, but this dangling hardware is super, super gorgeous po. Okay, if anyone is looking for this, okay, we have that one. There you go. Super gorgeous. Okay, it has a ball. All right, ladies, if you want this, this is selling for only $15 tonight. Okay, $15 tonight. I'm gonna show it to Tenga. Let's check on how it looks on your ears. Okay, ayan po. Okay, this is how it looks. Super gorgeous. Okay, so for this one, it's $15. Ay! Okay, sorry about that. This one is for $15. Mine 36 for this. Mine 36 for $15. Okay. Hello, 6. Okay, next item. Now, if you're looking for silver, I have another silver. Okay. This one is my silver. I have another silver just like the gold. Okay, so if you want the silver, mine 37 for $15. Okay. All right. Does anyone wants this? Super cute. This is a super cute earring. Okay. I'm giving this one for $3 tonight. It's a stamp jewelry, a stamp earring, only for $3, and it's super gorgeous. It's so simple but so elegant. Okay, if you want this one, okay, if you want this one, mine 136 for $3. Mine 136 for $3. Okay, and another one. I have the white, okay, for the white, also for $3. 104. 104 for $3. Okay, 104 for $3. Okay, next. I think I only have few pinks left. So if you want this one, Okay, I only have 2 minutes left. I think I'm gonna say goodbye in a few moments. But let me just grab this one real quick for you. All right, there you go. Okay, so this is the pink. That's the pink. This is not actually white. It's pink. Yeah, that's how it looks. All right, so if you want, just let me know if you're interested. I'm just running a lot of items here. Make sure that I definitely give you the items, but no one is asking of anything at all. Okay, so if anyone still wants our waterproof clover, we have this waterproof mini. It's not mini, it's actually 10 mm. This is a 10 mm. The 15 mm is the one that I'm wearing. This is 15 mm. So if you're going to actually match that one, this one is a smaller version. It's a 10 mm. This one is only selling for $8. So if anyone wants, let me know. I have the code for the pink one. Hold on. I have the code for pink one. If you want the pink one, mine 86 for $8. This is waterproof 18K plated. So that's the reason of that price. Okay. So I have clovers. I have, by the way, I think I haven't shown you this one. I also have silver BVL necklaces. I'll show you that one. Hold on. Baka may naghahanap po nito. Alright? And I only have this left right now. It's only $15. The H bangle. So if you want this H bangle, take all. Okay? Take all for the bangles. Tatlo na lang po. Okay? But if you want just one, let me know. This one is orange, pink, and black. So if you want the orange, this one is a little bit of orange or red. It's orange. Okay? But it's, okay, it's like a red something, but it's orange, I think. So this one is mine, orange, 15. Mine, pink, 15. This is only for $15. And mine, black, 15. Okay, so if you want this, I only have 3 left. Only have 3 left. And another one. This one is stamp bangle. Okay, this one is a stamp bangle. I'm going to give this one for $12 tonight. So, if you want the stamp bangle, hold on, I'll show you the codes. Oh, it's 4:31. Okay. It's 4:31. Gusto ko na umalis. But anyway, I'll show you one more last time. Okay, one last time. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so let's go right here. Okay, so if you want this gorgeous H, all right, black, this one is mine 44. Okay, this is an easy open H bracelet. And if you want this one, mine 54. Just screenshot and let me know. I'm giving this one for $15. I have mine 64 for the pink. Now, if you want the pink cocoa, CC Cocoa, this is actually with stamp. I'm giving this one for $12 tonight. $12. So you can definitely just say mine 35 for that. This one is an H bracelet, orange one. I only have one. This is also stamp. Mine 28 for that. Okay, mine 28. If anyone wants, okay. So this one is the black cocoa for mine 34 for only $12. And then I have the bracelet, okay, the bangle, I'm sorry, the bangle stamp, okay. This one is only for $12. Mine 33 for that. For those who are watching, I'm actually broadcasting live from California, USA. Okay, for this one, the CC Coco, this one is only selling for $12, mine 27. Now, I have some more here. I have blue, okay. The blue one is 52, all right. Gorgeous one. And I have the mess, okay. The mess is actually a gorgeous piece of bangle. And I'm only selling this one for 15, okay. This is a moving stone. They're moving, okay. Look at that. They're moving. Okay, so this one is only $15. So if anyone wants this, mine 38 for that. And I only have one left for this. Okay, if anyone wants this, okay, this one is only selling for $15. Mine 39. This one is super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. All right, mine 39. Okay, I think that's it for tonight. I'm going to see you tomorrow. I might be able to give something like a real this one was selling for, because this is waterproof, this is selling for $8. This is 12 before, but I'm giving it for $8, okay? So if anyone wants this one, just let me know. I have all the colors that I have. I have gold, white for this, like this, okay? Only selling for $8. So if anyone wants this, I have all the colors. So for now, I'm going to say goodbye. If you need anything else from me, I'll be seeing you tomorrow, okay? Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Bye for now.